Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view YouTube Shorts in high quality. Want to watch YouTube Shorts in the highest quality possible? Whether you're on mobile or desktop, I'll show you how to ensure you're getting the best video resolution. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to check your internet connection. High quality playback depends on a strong internet connection. So ensure you're using Wi-Fi or a high-speed mobile network. The second step is to adjust YouTube playback settings. Now to do that, just open the YouTube app and then click on the Shorts section to access the Shorts right here, as you can see. I'm gonna pause the video. Now here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, right here, and then select quality. After that, choose higher picture quality or advanced right here. Choose this one if you want higher quality. Usually the higher quality is 1080 pixels or 1440 pixels or 2160 pixels if available. Now if you want to choose a lower quality to save your data, click on data saver or click on choose auto to adjust it to give you the best experience for your condition. That means depending on your network. Now for the third step is to enable HD playback on desktop. While watching a short video, just click the gear icon at the bottom and under quality select the highest resolution available. Now for the fourth step is to change YouTube's default settings, and you can do that by going to YouTube settings, then video quality preferences, and set it to higher picture quality for Wi-Fi or mobile data. For additional tips, if a short video doesn't have HD options, it may have been uploaded in low resolutions. And if you're on mobile data, enable HD might increase data usage. And now you know how to watch YouTube Shorts in the best quality possible. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.